Diosdado Cabello, first vice president of the ruling United Socialist Party of Venezuela, said on Monday that the 9th Summit of the Americas, held in the United States last week, was a total and absolute failure.
Imagínate tú qué habría que decir de esa mal llamada cumbre. Un fracaso total y absoluto. La cumbre colapsó. Y colapsó desde un principio por su convocatoria, sin propuestas, sin planes, sin objetivos. ¿Cuáles son, pues, las conclusiones? Ninguna. Ninguna. Ahora, nosotros sí podemos sacar algunas conclusiones aquí. El 40% de los países no le paró a la cumbre. Eso es grave en lo que ellos siempre llamaron su patio trasero. Muy grave.
According to Cabello, the regional gathering which took place in Los Angeles, in the western U.S. state of California, was not a summit at all and will likely be the last, due to its failure, the disaster and the way it was handled. He said the summit was set to fail from the start, when the United States decided not to invite Venezuela, Cuba and Nicaragua. Washington's exclusion of the three countries led several heads of state and government to skip the summit in protest.